Das kann ja witzig werden.
Huh? What?
So, zum Glück haben wir wieder ein Westen. Mir kommt so vor, dass die Ballers gar nicht so viel aushalten. Geh raus da.
I got you covered, Holmes. Take him out.
Nehmen wir mal, Moment, die Schrotflinten. Oida, das überleben wir nicht.
You lost the will to live yet?
Das überleben wir nicht. Hat hingehaut. Die scheiß Tier, bei denen die aufbleibt.
I like to share too. Now stay cool.
Das war gut. Du gehst lieber auch mal weg. Darin kann man nämlich kein Vertrauen.
Ah, you so kind.
Ach, da sind schon wieder welche. Da hinten nicht.
You wanna get blasted, fool? Yo, watch me, homies.
Geh raus da. Seht das? Ja, bei der Knarre haben wir unglaublich viel Munition. Und zwar wegen dem Gebiet erobern, weil die alle Maschinenpistolen dabei gehabt haben. Und
It's America. You don't need it
das
now.
habe ich mal sehr gesammelt. Ui, da. Geh nur Vierer. Da sind noch mehr hinten.
You wanna get
Müssen wir rein. Ich mag gar nicht rein.
a
Und
girl?
zwar deswegen. Weil da welche drin sind. Da noch mehr drin. Du schau her.
You won't be needing this now. You enjoying yourself?
Also da ist noch ein Herzl drin. Kommt der her.
That's all you got?
Schnapp dir Big Smoke. Ich hoffe, das wird nicht lästig. Alter, wenn wir jetzt sterben, dann müssen wir alles von vorn spielen. Ich sollte vielleicht nicht immer die...
Hey, Smoke!
Hey, CJ, I was wondering when you would show up.
How'd you know it was me?
Knew it was my old dog, CJ. Knew you was coming and I don't give a shit.
I'm here to take care of your fat ass. Then I'm gonna take care of your friends in the police department. Where they at?
Man, fuck this shit. Man, that's some good shit.
Man, you and Tenpenny.
Man, fuck Tenpenny, and fuck his Polish lapdog, and fuck the police, man. Oh, that's old shit. Look at you, you got the whole world. I ain't got no regrets, man.
Smoke, you
I
had...
made it, CJ. I'm a success. I can't be touched. I don't give a fuck. Fuck the whole world.
What happened to you, man?
Man, what the fuck do you care? I guess we better do this shit then.
You wearing bodyguard with Smoke? Man, I'm disappointed.
Scheiße.
I thought you was gangster.
Hey, I'm a motherfucking celebrity. All kinds of crazy cats out there want a piece of me. Somebody save the Smoke.
Oh oh. Wunderbar. Das war schon mal ganz gut.
Right there.
Nimmt der schon Schaden?
Now you better shut up.
Ach, der nimmt gar keinen Schaden.
I got you. Go that way.
Ja, das kann nur lustig werden, wenn der keinen Schaden nimmt.
What you wanna do then, fool? Move forward, ballers. Move forward. Shoot him! Help me!
Come on, Holmes, I'm dumping on. That's it. Move in.
Was Thermo? Warum Thermo? Brauch ich doch gar nicht. Scheißdreck.
You want a hole in me? Huh?
Oh, I got you, y'all. Safe, safe.
Er nimmt der null Schaden oder wie? Zumindest kommt mir so vor.
Hey, fool, don't be touching me.
You gonna
Come
stay
on, Holmes,
cool
I got it
now.
pinned down.
Die Schlimme ist eigentlich, dass immer noch so Leibwächter rumrennen und die auch noch mitschießen. Also mir kommt der vor, dass wir überhaupt keinen Schaden richtig machen.
He's a cobarde. Let's move in.
Ui, da sehe ich ja nichts mehr, das macht doch narrisch.
I don't like motherfucking weird
I got your back, Holmes. Move in.
You want this to get ugly?
Oh, mit den Schruffeln geht's gut.
Hey, Smoke, what made you flip out like that, man? Was it the drugs or what?
I got caught up in the money, the power. I don't give a shit. Oh, fuck, man.
Why you just didn't quit, man? We was like family, homie.
I had no choice. I had to do it. I just see the opportunity. Oh, when I'm gone, everyone gonna remember my name. Big Smoke. Oh.
Damn, man. What a waste.
Carl Johnson, my man. I need you to do me another favor. You killed Pulaski, now this fat fuck? There's no stopping you. Drop the gun.
You ain't leaving here alive, man.
Where's your brother at, huh?
Why you just didn't shoot me in the back? Feeling exposed, huh?
Shut your dumb ass up and load the bag. Come on, let's go. I ain't got time to fuck with you.
So what it's like, Tenpenny? Huh? All alone? Nobody got your back? Suck, huh?
Why you think I'm alone? I got a couple of rookies outside. But I gotta open their eyes slowly, you know. Little truth here, little truth there. Alright, fuck it, that's enough. Chuck it over. I got a fire truck to catch.
You crazy, man. You lost. You gone.
Half the city's looking for cops to kill, Carl. And I ain't about to get dragged out of a patrol car and get beat to death by some angry mob. No, not tonight.
What you catching? A plane?
Ding, 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 ding! Good answer, Carl! You know, you're gonna thank me one day for opening your fucking eyes. Oh, I almost forgot, Carl. Time to die.
Sweet!
What? Mother... It ain't over, Carl. It ain't over. Carl, you motherfucking piece of shit, gang-banging cocksucker.